Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my round rattan serving tray. I purchased this tray because I have sort of a natural aesthetic in my guest bedroom with very natural materials, and this tray really was drawing my attention. I love that it's round instead of a squared one, and I love that it has two handles on the side to grab it. It's very sturdy. The bottom is super sturdy and flat, so you can put things like water on it and it will still be able to hold itself up. I love the look of this tray. It is so beautiful, and what I've done is place it in my guest room, and that way I'm able to put a little welcome card in there and maybe a few snacks from the farmer's market so that when guests come in from other states, they have a nice warm welcoming. So I find this tray to be super cute and adorable, and I think it's a great home decor addition. And that's my point of view.